Hey everybody, my name is Ty Tessmann, and today I'm going to show you the HUDY Professional Droop Gauge. One of the features that I really like about it is that you can preset what you want your droop to be at, and it has nice clear numbers and bright lines to line up with the line on the knob, or the line on the knob here to where it is on the droop gauge, so it's very easy to see. You line it up to what you want it at, you put the top on, the shock nut here fits very firm and precise, and then you just line up the bottom to your shock screw. Let's get started. So I already preset the measurement I want, so I'm going to take the droop gauge and put it in the nut up here. It fits in nice and tight. I'm just going to hold it down there. Just try to hold this so you guys can see. And I'm going to just turn the screw until, get my finger off of there. Just turn the screw till the little knob in the bottom fits right into the head of the screw. Right there. It's just super easy, it goes right in. And then for the other side, this is only on some vehicles, like our Truggies is special kind of this way. It has a bulge in the arm right here, which does hit on this part of the droop gauge, but they make a line right here, so you can see the center point. It makes it very easy to line up the screw, and you don't really need it to put it into the screw. For some cars it's like this, for our buggy it's not, so there's a lot of cars that this works fine for both sides, but there is the odd one that does, you just kind of need to line it up by eyesight, rather than just putting it in there. So most of the time it works the way it should, like on this side, but there's the odd time where it has a bulge or something in the arm that prevents it from doing that, but it does still work very well because you can see the line in there. Line it up with the center of the screw and you got your droop set. So it's still super easy, still super good tool, and it's made my droop setting very easy to use and very quick and very sure of what I have. So yeah, hopefully you guys liked the video, and thanks for watching.